Welcome to Down and Dirty. Today we're going to be installing some MEK magnet body armor on the 21 JLUR diesel. So it's something new they came out with because the aluminum body panels, it has a membrane that sticks to the body rather than magnets like we used to use on steel panels. So we're going to try this out today and see how it goes. We've got different designs you can get. I went with one of the American flags. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below and let me know what you think. Alright, let's get started. So what I'm going to do is we're going to get it out of the box here. Get it rolled out on the floor. And this one rolled out the floor. Okay, so here I've got the passenger side laid out. You're going to want a microfiber cloth to help press it down as you put it on, keep from getting air bubbles under it. Just peel this off the backing. And if you want to take this off your Jeep and not leave it on all the time, just simply wash it. Soap and water, let it dry, and stick it right back on here and roll it right back up. Alright, I think this would be great for two people. I don't know about one, but I'm going to try to start off by lining it up off this door lock. That's like. That don't look too bad. Everything's going to line up. Peel back half of it. It looks like it's lined up. And we're going to take a microfiber cloth, slowly press it down. Trying to keep from having any bubbles under it. Bubble under it. This side. Okay, so there's the passenger door. Front passenger door done. I don't thought you did too bad. Alright, now I've got a piece that goes below the window. good. Okay, so we're going to do the vent part next. Go into the door after this. Make sure you got all dirt, fuzz, everything out of your way. Too close. Oops. Like that. Line right. There we go. Okay, so I just applied this vent. Guess I should have moved the camera up here. Now this piece is supposed to go here, but I think I'm going to have to trim it because I've got these rocker guards here. Yep, I'm going to have to trim these. I'm going to mark that so I can cut it. So we can do this front quarter piece now. I had to trim it. Remove the antenna already. I had to trim this piece because I have rocker guards down here. So I had to cut the bottom of this off so it would fit. Look right there. Not bad. Right here. You can see this one's a little wet. I was cutting it, and the edge of it touched onto the ground in the dirt. So I just followed the instructions like it says. You can just wash it with soap and water and let it dry. Let it air dry, that sticky back membrane part. That's perfect. Yeah, I had to cut this off. It actually went down to about, I think, there originally. That was perfect. Let's go for this rear door. That's pretty good. So peel it back. Work all the air bubbles out of it. And see, putting these on, you don't even have to have them perfect. Spend a lot of time working them in. Pull them off, realigning them, whatever. Shoot close. The other half back, get the air bubbles out of that. Press it on. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to do the top rear door. Top of the rear door. Try to line it with the front door. body lines. So there's both passenger doors done. There you go. Actually looks pretty cool. The thing I like about it is protect you from pinstripes. And simply just stick it on and peel it off. There, I stick this rear panel on. Looks fantastic now. Bubble. Grab my rag. There, I got a piece goes above that. Membrane stuff is weird. It's sticky. Good. Make it sticky. Ah, that is crooked. Get going. Figure out it's crooked. All right. Here's the bottom piece of my B pillar. I just cut it off. So it should. I actually used a piece from the front that I cut off as a pattern. I cut off the bottom up there, so I just used that same piece for the thickness, width. Alright, I got this thin strip here for the B pillar. Alright, so that's it for the passenger side. Got our MEK magnet all stuck on. Yeah, it looks pretty neat. Like I said, the best part is it's going to help you off-road. Pinstriping, stone chips, rock chips, what have you. So I gotta get my antenna put back on, but yeah, this side is completely done, finished. I'm going to close out this video. I'm going to go ahead and do the driver's side. I don't have as much room on that side of where the Jeep is setting to run camera, so pretty much the same, but mirrored image. So that's it for this installation. I think it looks great. We'll see how it works. Okay, well that's it for this installation of the MEK magnet. It's actually a membrane body armor they've developed for the aluminum body JL. So it's not actually a magnet, it's a sticky membrane, like very sticky. So it's going to work great, we'll see. We'll try it out, see how it goes. Like I said, I really like it. It's going to save from pinstriping, rock chips, and things like that. Of course, it doesn't cover everything as if you would vinyl wrap the entire Jeep, but it protects the larger portions of it. Alright, well that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Take care. Appreciate y'all. Thank you.